Hi guys! There are several different approaches to column renaming in pandas. Today I'll tell you about what approach to use in what case. First, let's take UFO dataset as an example. Here I use head command to display column names and first two rows, but you can also use columns property to display the column names. Okay. The first approach you can use works good in case you want to rename just one column or a couple of columns. And this is usage of rename method. So you see the rename works, but this specific code doesn't change the UFO data frame. It returns a new data frame. In order to save the result of the renaming, I have to either assign the result to a variable. I'll copy paste the code. Yes, it works. Or you can use in place option to save the result in the UFO data frame. Okay, I'll copy paste the code again. So this approach also works. The second approach that you can use is assigning an array of new column names. Okay. This approach can be used in case you know that the number of the columns won't be changed and the order of the columns won't be changed. But if there will be a new column added to the data frame in the future, and if your code of column renaming remains the same, I'll copy paste it. In this case, you'll get an error because we have a new column added, but the code still has 5 columns in assignment. So please be careful with assigning the entire list of columns in case the number of columns or their order may be changed in future. The other approach that you can use for column renaming is useful in case you want to read a CSV file, let's say. I'll copy code again. And rename the column names just in the same line of code. So you can use names option here. I'll just copy paste the list again. And you see that it also works. And still, please be careful with this approach in case the underlying CSV file may change in terms of number of columns or the order of columns. And finally, I want to give you a bonus tip. Let's say you have such a data frame and you want to rename the column names in some unified way. For example, replace the spaces with underscore symbol and make all the characters lowercase. You can do this simply using the following code. We've used an str property here. I'll hopefully tell about it in another video, but right now you can just know that it helps you to change the entire list of strings by applying some operation to it. This approach may be useful for you in case you want to access column names using property. So after renaming, you can do the following. And before the renaming, of course, you won't be able to use properties to access this column because it has space. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please write a comment to this video. Subscribe to my channel in order not to miss new interesting videos about pandas, data science, and machine learning. I wish you good luck. Bye.